One emergency can destroy 5 years of savings. Just one. One hospital bill, one job loss, one urgent family situation, one bill repair, and suddenly everything you work for disappears. That's why this episode is not optional, it's essential. My name is Alhaji Conte, and in this episode, we are talking about building your first emergency fund, the financial safety net that protects your future. Let me ask you a serious question. If your income stops tomorrow, how many months can you survive? Not survive comfortably, just survive. Many people are one emergency away from debt. That's not an income problem, it's a protection problem. An emergency fund is not investment money, it's not business capital, it's not enjoyment money, it's protection money. Its purpose is simple: to prevent small problems from becoming financial disasters. Without an emergency fund, you borrow when things go wrong, you panic, you make desperate decisions, you fall into high interest debt. With an emergency fund, you stay calm, you handle the issue, you move on. Stability changes your mindset. Let's define emergency properly. Emergency is medical expenses, sudden job loss, essential car or home repair, urgent avoidable family need. Emergency is not new phone release, vacation, fashion sale, weekend enjoyment. If it is not urgent and necessary, it is not an emergency. Be honest with yourself, because many people misuse their emergency fund for lifestyle upgrades, and then when real emergency comes, there is nothing left. Now let's talk numbers. The goal is 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, not salary expenses. If your monthly essential expenses are 2,000 Ghana cedis, your emergency target should be minimum of 600 cedis, 3 months. Ideal 12,000 cedis is 6 months. Why is 3 to 6 months? Because it gives you breathing space. If you lose your job, you don't panic. You have time to think, time to search, time to recover. Financial peace comes from preparation. This is important. Your emergency fund must be safe, accessible, separate from your daily spending. It should not be in your main spending account, invested in risky assets, locked where you cannot access it. This is not investment money, it is safety money. You can keep it in a separate savings account, a low risk money market option, a secure but accessible account. The key word is liquidity. You must be able to access it when needed, but not easily that you misuse it. Now let's make this practical. Step 1, start small. If building 6 months feel overwhelming, start with 1 month. If 1 month feels big, start with 1,000 cedis. The goal is progress. Step 2, automate savings every month. Transfer a fixed percentage into your emergency account. Even 5 to 10% consistently works. Step 3, use windfall wisely. When you receive bonus, extra income, side hustle profit, add part of it into your emergency fund. Accelerate the process. Step 4, don't touch it unless it's real emergency. Discipline protects the fund. Let's say you earn 3,000 cedis. Your essential monthly expenses are 2,000 Ghana cedis. Your month target is 600 cedis. If you save 500 cedis monthly, you'll reach 6,000 in 12 months. 1 year of discipline gives you 3 months of protection. Think about it. 1 year of focus can remove years of financial fear. That's powerful. When you have an emergency fund, you stop fearing unexpected expenses. You stop relying on loans. You stop living in the panic mode. You gain confidence. It gives you control, and control builds long-term wealth. If you are financially fragile, protection comes before growth. Emergency fund first, investment second. Let's summarize clearly. An emergency fund protects your future, prevents debt, reduce stress, builds confidence. Target 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Keep it safe, keep it separate, build it step by step. One emergency can destroy 5 years of savings, but preparation can prevent 5 years of regret. If this video helped you, subscribe to this YouTube channel right now. We are building financially strong and disciplined people here. This is not just about money, it's about stability. My name is Alhaji Conte, and I will see you in the next episode.